Hello friends, I am coming with the question number 1 from Pathfinder Newton Laws of Motion. So what is the wording of this question? The question is saying that a bead released from one end of a frictionless rigid wire frame fixed in a vertical plane slides periodically on the frame. Size of the bead is negligible as compared to the radius of curvature of the turns, which is negligible compared to length of straight portion in the frame of the if the linear dimension of the frame are made 4 times, by what factor the frequency of periodic motion of the bead changes. So my dear friends, let's assume this is a path, and in this path from A to B, for better understanding I clear the path and draw carefully. So this is the straight line, and from this is like this, and this is also a straight line. So this path is like this, and in this path the bead is moving. So let's say this point is P and bead will reach at this point Q. So this distance is say called L, and this distance is say called L1, and this distance is say called again L. So first of all, if I calculate as we here from P to Q, bead performs periodic motion. Bead performs periodic motion. Okay, so first of all I want to go what is the speed of the bead at this point, say called V, and here it is also V because this is a smooth, again it is raises with the speed of V. So for speed V, we can say that if this angle is, let us assume this angle is theta, so here one acceleration is acting. This acceleration is called g sine theta, and you can say that this g sine theta is a constant acceleration. So velocity is nothing, it is square root of twice as. So v is equal to square root of 2 L sine theta. Okay, after calculating the velocity, this is my point. Now I want to go one by one thing, and now suppose P to A and A to B and then Q. So what is the time taken by the particle to reach the point A from P? Time taken by particle to reach point Q from P. So my dear friend, time you can very easily calculate. L is equal to half of g sine theta into T1 square. I want to write it is T1 square. So T1 is nothing, it is 2L upon g sine theta into square root. Understood my point? This is the time. Now my dear friends, what is the time taken by the particle from A to B? So time taken by the particle from A to B is time taken by particle from A to B, that is called, it is moving with a constant speed covering a distance L. So time T2 is equal to, you can say that the distance upon speed. It is nothing but speed I already calculated under square root of 2gl 2gl into sine theta. So it is L1 square root of 2gl sine theta. Is it clear? Now one thing I will tell you here. If the acceleration is g sine theta, so at this time this angle is also theta, so here acceleration is also g sine theta. So if from P to A time is taken T1, so from B to Q the time is still taken T1. So time taken by particle from B to Q is T3, that is called equal to square root of 2L upon G sine theta. So overall total time period is so what is a periodic motion? Periodic motion is it will reach the point Q, again it will come to B and B to A and A to P. So the total time taken to complete a one revolution is called time period. So time period of particle is T is equal to 2 times T1 plus T2 plus T3. For better understanding, I want to write the one by one point. It is T1 plus T3 is nothing, it is equal. So 2 times square root of 2L upon G sine theta plus L1 upon square root of GL 2GL sine theta. 2GL sine theta. My dear friend, for better understanding, what can I do? I just multiply here with L, and here it is also L in square root, also 2 here and 2 is here. So overall you can say that denominator becomes same. So time period we can write 2 times square root of 2GL sine theta, and here it is 2 into 2L plus L1. For better understanding, the new time period is coming 2 upon square root of 2GL sine theta into 4L plus L1. This is the time period. Now what is the question? Question is saying if length of the inclined plane becomes 4L 4 times. So 4 times means L, if L prime is equal to 4L and L1 prime is also equal to 4L. So what is happening? So new time period of particle is so new time period of the particle. For better understanding, I want to draw here T new is equal to 2 times square root of 2 G and L becomes 4L sine theta into 4 into 4L plus 4L1. My dear friends, so new time period is coming. It is 2 upon 2 times square root of 2GL sine theta, and here you can common the 4 properly, and that is called 4L plus L1. Understood my point? So 2 cancel out. You can say it 2 2s are 4. So the new time period is nothing but it is equal to the 2 times old time period. So it is asking about frequency. So time period is 1 upon frequency. So new frequency is equal to 1 upon F new is equal to 2 by F. So finally new frequency is coming. It is equal to F by 2. So this is your final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.